Disclaimer: this video is completely opinion based and watch it till the end before you click that dislike button. Well, 3 to 4 years ago, when we wanted to watch something entertaining to get out of boredom, we watched YouTube videos. And back then, BB was on top of all Indian YouTubers. His YouTube channel is around 8 million subs back then, and he made videos less than 10 minutes always. But then, OTT platforms started to take over a huge share in entertainment industry. A lot of YouTubers started copying the concept of making long videos because people loved them. YouTubers like Amit Bhadana, Harsh Benipal copied the trend and started to increasing their videos length to around 30 minutes. The videos came once in a month, but people loved them. So the response was exactly the same they had in their short videos. Same millions of views and lot of watch time. This looks awesome that the content is too long, but it ended up being a lot irritating too. Why we are watching some YouTube video based on entertainment for 30 minutes in which a guy is just repeating the jokes and not doing something worth watching. Nowadays they have increased the length to around 40 to 50 minutes, but content is still shit most of time. Now this is a bit opinion based, but I don't like to watch YouTubers doing this type of trash content this long. Rather I will watch some Netflix show. There should be something unique to watch, I believe, and BB always stand out in everything. He continued to upload short videos in every way possible, and yet content being supreme. Although he have less subscribers than some YouTubers now, but people love him. The fanbase is so loyal, they support him in every way possible. Now coming back to the story. Changing time, BB was still giving up with the short video and good content trend, but now it was time for him to change too. Now he took a lot time, around 6 months of no uploads, and then a masterpiece came. All the characters we loved having a cameo together, and the whole script or the plot of story is divided into parts. BB is still not uploading too long videos. Maximum he has reached is 21 minutes, but uploading in parts makes it even more awesome. BB excels in this format of videos too. As we have watched T2 Talks, his videos had a bit long length than any other video in T2 Talks, but the content was really good back then too. Now he copied that thing into his new series, and now it has gone to the another level. And yeah, we can expect this just from a guy who uploaded a video on poor people struggling during Corona crisis, when other YouTubers were busy making some videos on some shit controversy, TikTok versus YouTube. Or you can just say they were making views on that shit controversy. Share this video so that it reaches him, and that's my tribute to the legend himself. Thanks for watching.